Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Mumble. Today, I'm reviewing this. No, I haven't lost my mind. I'm reviewing the green screen behind me, and I will turn it back into a regular green screen now. As you can see, it's green, and it's a screen. I'm just kidding with you guys. It is a green screen. This is the Chroma Key Green Screen. Let me get you guys the official name. I'm going to read you guys the official name as it is listed on Amazon. So forgive me if it's kind of repeating itself like 4 or 5 times, but I do want to get you guys the official name so that you know, and I will also put a link in the description. This is the FancierStudio Chroma Key Green, Chroma Key Blue, Collapsible Backdrop, Collapsible Reversible Background 5x7 Chroma Key Green Blue by FancierStudio RE 2010 BG. So in basic terms, this is the green screen that is 5x7 by FancierStudios. You can use both sides, both green and blue, and cut things out using both sides. I normally use the green. Haven't really used the blue in any videos yet, but I can see where if you were wearing something green or something like that, where you may need to use the blue side. Now, one other thing I want to mention before I get to my thoughts and opinions is this green screen does come with a bag that you can store the green screen in. You can wear it as a hat if you want to, but I really would not recommend that you do that. Let me tell you my thoughts and opinions on this green screen. I will post some links to the description of some of my gameplays using this green screen, but I have to say, I love this green screen. Now, for me personally, it works better having it on a hook. I made a little bit of a stand for it, and I hooked it up so that it is actually hanging behind me on this hook so that I don't have to, kind of try to wedge it in between anything or, do anything like that. Just have to put it on the hook, put the thing behind it, and it's good to go. Ease of use of this green screen is so incredible. It's not something I have to leave up all the time. I don't have to devote an entire room to it. When I need to use it, I just pop it up, get my stand, and I'm good to go. Now, you can use this without a stand. You can lean it up against the wall or however you want to do it. It's completely up to you, but I would recommend that you use the hooks given on each side in order to best mount this green screen. Now, in addition to that, I have to say, I have noticed that the ease of use of cutting out things like thumbnails or making a green screen video where I can have just the game playing behind me, that is top notch. This green screen works great for that. You don't have to worry about it being the wrong color or anything. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. It does it, I promise. Now, I do have 2 cons for this green screen, unfortunately. When it came, I opened it up and, it kind of just up into the room. And immediately I thought to myself, Mumbles? How did that go together again? Unfortunately, this green screen comes with no directions as to how to fold it back up. I'm putting a video of how to do that at the end of this, just so that everyone can know. But my first con for this green screen is that it needed some kind of instructions with it to tell you so you don't have to go and look as to how to put this dang thing away. My second con for this green screen, as you can see in the pictures right now, unfortunately this green screen did come with a couple holes in it. I wasn't too happy about that. I wish it wouldn't have had those holes in it, but it's still a great green screen and I still really love it. So now my overall view and thoughts on this green screen is that this green screen is going to get a 4 out of 5 on our Mumbles review today. It works great if you don't have a dedicated area just for recording, if you just need something to put up now and then. This is the kind of green screen you need, something that you can fold up, put away, and not have to worry about. Obviously, if you have a studio that is dedicated to something like this, having something that you can not have to mess with and put stands up for and everything else would probably be optimal. For us smaller YouTubers out there who don't have their own dedicated studio, something like this works very, very well. 4 out of 5, just because I wish it would have had instructions and because I don't like the holes in it. Beyond that, it's a great green screen I definitely recommend. Anyways, guys, please stay tuned if you want to know how to fold this thing up. I will be doing a video directly after this one so that you guys can see how to fold this thing back up. And beyond that, please do smack that subscribe button, smack that like button, and smack all those buttons. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care. You take each end and you push them together. So you'll see the front start to dip. Once you see that front start to dip, kind of walk into it, and it will kind of fold underneath. Once it starts to fold underneath, You can kind of guide it with your foot a little bit, and you simply take one end and put it over the other. Push it down, circle, put it in your bag. You are good to go. Very simple, very easy to use. That's all there is to it, guys. I hope this helps. And this is Mumbles signing off.